Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be solving the Leet code question, remove linked list elements. So we're going to be given a linked list and we need to remove all the elements which have the same value as val. So over here we're given this linked list over here and the value is 6. So we need to remove everything with the value of 6. So we have 1, 2, 6, so we need to remove this. So all we are doing over here is instead of pointing 2 to 6, we're going to point 2 to 3 and we're just going to skip 6. And similarly over here there's a 6 at the ending. So instead of pointing 5 to 6, the 5 is going to point to a value of none. And we need to make sure and keep in mind of one last thing. So let's say in this case 6 was our head. So in that case we need to change the value of our head until we reach an element which does not have a value of 6. So let's see how we can solve this, and it should be a pretty easy question. So we're first going to look at our head and see if the head has the same value as this val over here. So while the head exists and head.val is equal to the same as value. So in that case, if it's equal to the same as value, we're going to change the head to the next element. So head equals to head.next. So we're going to keep doing this until we reach an element which does not have the same value as val. And let's say all the elements inside of the linked list do have the same value of val. So in that case, if not head, in that case we're going to reach until the ending and our head is not going to have a value. And in that case we're just going to return head. So now what we're going to do is we're going to iterate through the remaining elements that we have in our linked list. Every time we come across an element which has the same value as val, we're gonna change the previous element's next node pointer to the one after that of val. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but it should be a lot easier when I write it down. Okay, so we're first gonna put our current node, and it's gonna start off at the head. So while the current node exists, we're gonna keep going through our while loop, and now we need to check if the next node exists. So if current.next is not equal to none, right? And we also need to check if it has the same value as val. So and current.next.val is equal to val. So if it does have the same value of val, then we're going to change current.next pointer to current.next. So we're going to skip over that one element. But if this is not the case, then what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the next node. So current equals to current.next. We're not skipping over anything. And finally, we're going to go out of our while loop and we're just going to return the head. Okay, so now let's submit our solution. And as you can see, our submission did get accepted. And finally, do let me know if you have a better solution to solve this. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys.